welcome back to the channel. As you guys can tell from the title of this video, this one is going to be all about prepping my KBD kit for paint. Alright, so straight from the KBD website, the first thing that they recommend is to wipe down the whole kit with an acetone rag. Then step 2 is to get Ajax with bleach, went and bought some of that, and you want the powdered kind. As well as they actually ask for like this specific type of abrasive Scotch-Brite pad, some other brand that I couldn't really find, so it said you could use something equivalent. This should do the trick. It's just kind of a coarse Scotch-Brite pad. So mix water with this and use this, kind of just start wiping it down, and basically it says that you know it's going to be ready when you can pour water on it and it just kind of doesn't beat up, it just kind of rolls off. So we'll start cleaning it and then we'll test it with the water trick and see how it does. So I just did the front bumper. So as you guys saw, I went over it twice. I don't really know how much you're supposed to do, but let's see if the water, that was stuck. Let's see if the water kind of just drapes off like they say it's supposed to, or if it beads up. Yeah, I think that's right. Alright, I think we are all ready for the primer. It honestly has never really looked this clean, so I think it worked. And it feels really nice. It feels really smooth. Yeah, I think we're good. Alright, so I bought the primer that they tell you to get on their website. I ordered it on Amazon. So Flexible Primer Surfacer. This is the stuff that they recommended. Got a whole quart of it. That should be enough. Yo guys, so we are loading up the kit and heading over to Derek's house. He's gonna help me primer it, and we just decided to shoot it at his house because he's got the stands and everything. So load it up, gonna head over there, meet up with a couple other buddies, and start getting this kit all primered. Let's go. Brought the kit inside, but it is raining, so we are not going to be able to primer it tonight because we're going to do it out in the backyard. But it's raining, so probably tomorrow or the next day. I got to see when the weather's going to let us do it. And then the other thing is we can't do it in here because Derek's got this thing in here for right now and can't really sit outside. So the kit is finally done, all primered up. Big shout out to Derek. He just sprayed it for me. And yeah, came out pretty decent. I still have to wet sand it, so I'm gonna do that probably tomorrow. And then it should be ready to shoot. And I think we're ready to shoot on Sunday. All right guys, got the kit all loaded up in the truck and heading home. So all that's left is to basically start painting the car on Sunday. I'm super stoked. Finally found a color, so you guys will see. Yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video of paint. Later.